Useful strategies that generate excellent business leads. Are you a business owner? If that's the case, you must know that generating leads can affect your success. If you don't have leads, then your business can't grow and will enter decline. If you want to get your hands on new leads, apply the ideas of the following paragraphs. Try a fax campaign to increase your lead generation. Fax may seem very 1980s in terms of business communication, but most companies still rely on these machines. So many people have ignored the fax machine in the 21st century. But that only means that you have less clutter to battle. Your message will be more likely to hit. Door knocking is always an option, so don't rule it out. This can even be true if your business is B2B. Visit businesses and ask them about who they're currently using for whatever it is you're selling, then let them know why you're the better option. Leave some materials behind and move on to the next location. Search engine optimization can take a while to get going, as can other lead generation techniques. While they are the best, and while some experts saying purchasing leads is a bad idea, it's not always the case. Buying leads from a trusted source within your niche can actually be extremely beneficial. Obviously, when generating leads, you are working according to a budget and cannot pursue every venture. That is why it's important that you do have a set budget and that you are always paying attention to discount opportunities when it comes to promotion. This being said, make sure the money is being spent wisely. Don't forget your website. Many people create a site and then just leave it, believing that if you build it, they will come. They won't unless you actually put some effort into it. Create a blog and update it frequently, or add new content as often as possible to the site itself. Look for online marketplaces that cater to your niche. For example, real estate agents can use Realtor.com to find leads. You can even post classified ads to sites like Craigslist or Kijiji. Check out forums as well, as you never know who else might be watching there, but don't spam. If you want to build your business, focus on lead generation. If you are not growing, you are dying, and this is a fate to be avoided. Implement the tips you've just read, and avoid an untimely company death. Student loan.